Welcome back to Natural Hub channel. Today we're diving into the wonderful world of fennel seeds and uncovering the incredible benefits they offer. So, grab a seat, relax, and let's explore the goodness of fennel seeds together. First things first, what exactly are fennel seeds? Well, these tiny aromatic seeds come from the fennel plant, which is native to the Mediterranean region. They've been used for centuries, both as a spice in cooking and as a natural remedy for various ailments. Now let's talk about the fantastic health benefits of fennel seeds. Digestive health. One of the standout benefits of fennel seeds is their ability to support digestive health. These seeds contain compounds such as anethole, which can help alleviate indigestion, bloating, and gas. Anethole has been found to relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, promoting smoother digestion and reducing discomfort after meals. Simply chewing on a few fennel seeds after a meal can work wonders for your digestion. Rich in antioxidants. Fennel seeds are also packed with antioxidants, including flavonoids, phenolic compounds, and vitamin C. These antioxidants help combat oxidative stress in the body, which can damage cells and contribute to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. By neutralizing free radicals, fennel seeds can help reduce the risk of these conditions and support overall health and well-being. Supports heart health. Furthermore, fennel seeds are known to support heart health. They contain fiber, potassium, and other heart-healthy nutrients that can help lower cholesterol levels, regulate blood pressure, and maintain a healthy cardiovascular system. The fiber in fennel seeds can also help prevent the absorption of cholesterol in the intestine, further reducing the risk of heart disease. May aid weight loss. If you're looking to shed some extra pounds, fennel seeds might be your new best friend. These seeds have been shown to suppress appetite and boost metabolism thanks to their high fiber content and metabolism-boosting compounds. By promoting feelings of fullness and increasing calorie burn, fennel seeds can be a valuable tool for weight management when combined with a healthy diet and exercise. Soothes menstrual symptoms. Ladies, listen up. Fennel seeds have long been used to alleviate menstrual symptoms like cramps and bloating. These seeds contain compounds that have mild estrogenic effects, which can help regulate the menstrual cycle and ease discomfort. Sipping on fennel seed tea during that time of the month can provide much-needed relief and comfort, allowing you to go about your day with greater ease. Speaking of tea, one of the easiest and most delicious ways to enjoy the benefits of fennel seeds is by brewing them into a soothing cup of tea. Fennel seed tea not only offers all the health benefits of fennel seeds, but also provides hydration and relaxation. Simply steep a teaspoon of fennel seeds in hot water for a few minutes, strain, and enjoy. And there you have it, folks, the incredible benefits of fennel seeds. Whether you sprinkle them on your favorite dishes, chew them as a post-meal digestive aid, or brew them into a refreshing tea, incorporating fennel seeds into your routine can have a positive impact on your health. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more informative content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.